Good morning. Thanks for calling Agus Restaurant. This is MJ speaking. How can I help you?
I just want to inquire if you have a vacant table for reservation.
May I know who's on the line, please?
I'm Richard.
Thank you, sir. Richard, when would you like to have your reservation, sir? The time and the number of person?
This afternoon at 6 p.m. and a table for 2 person.
Okay, sir. May I just check for a minute the reservation logbook about your inquiry?
Okay.
Thank you for waiting, sir. We still vacant table available for 2 person for 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Would you like to have reservation, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, may I know your full name and contact number?
Name is Richard Amadeo and my contact number is 926-083-2955.
Thank you, sir. When would you like to have your reservation, sir?
Just the same this evening at 6 p.m. and a table good for 2 person.
Okay, sir. What type of reservation is this?
It is a dinner date.
Okay, sir. Do you have any other special request for your reservation?
None.
Sir Richard, may I just repeat the information of your reservation? Your full name is Richard Amadeo and your contact number is 926-083-2955. You reserve for a table good for 2 person and your reservation will be this evening at 6 p.m. Do you not have any special request with your reservation? Did I get the information correctly, sir?
Yes.
Sir Richard, we will just inform you that we will be calling you 2 hours before your reservation time for your confirmation. Is that okay, sir?
Okay.
Thank you for calling Ag's Restaurant once again. Good morning and have a nice day. Good afternoon, sir. This is MJ from Agus Cafe Restaurant. I just want to confirm your reservation this evening at 6 p.m. and a table good for 2 person. Do you still want to proceed with your reservation, sir?
Yes. We will be there. Thanks.
Okay, sir. Thank you and have a nice day.